Please be ready with your notebook, textbook and pen. Get ready with your notebook, textbook and pen. Hello students, good morning everyone. Please mention your name in comment section. I'm going for attendance now. Yes, Apong, Sangyamongla, Umbang Changgong, Lano Doshi, Tutsula. Yes, Ritish De, Naroemla. Only 9 of you. How comes? Class 7 there are 31, 32 students. From 31, it is only 10 of you are watching. What does it mean? Emily Manen? Okay. Yes, good morning. Hope all of you are ready. Let us start the today's class. You see, for chapter 7, 7.1 and 7.2 notes are given. So today I am going to start 7.3. Please have a look for question number 2. 7.3, question number 2, Roman number 1. Question number 2 says that if x is 3, if x is equal to 3, then find the values of the following expressions. So we have Roman number 1, x minus 7. It is very easy. X minus 7 we have, but x is 3. We have x3, that means in place of x, we are going to write the value of x, which is 3. Okay, so we will write, putting x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So we have our equation is what? Therefore x minus 7 is our equation. That means in place of x we are going to write 3 and minus 7 is minus 7. It is very simple. Our equation is x minus 7. So x is equal to 3 we are going to write. In place of x we are going to write 3. That's all. So our question is x minus 7. So in place of x we will write how much? 3. That means we are going to do 3 minus 7. So when we do 3 minus 7, we are getting 3 is here plus. Listen very carefully. 3 is here plus and 7 is minus. So plus into minus, we are going to do minus. So 3 minus 7 simply we cannot do. So 7 minus 3 is how much? 4. 7 minus 3, 4. But we have two sides, one positive, one plus and one minus. Here we can see 3 is smaller than 7. 7 is bigger, right? 7 is bigger than 3. So we will take the sign of a bigger number. You studied in previous classes also. Bigger number. So 7 is bigger and the sign of bigger is how much? Minus. What is the sign of 7? Minus. So minus. So there is the solution for Roman number 1. Similarly, if you do Roman number 2, let us have a look for Roman number 2. Roman number 2 says that 3 minus x. It is 3 minus x. So therefore 3 minus x. This is Roman number 2 solution, okay? This one is common for all the questions. From here, Roman number 1 we did first, and now we are doing Roman number 2, all. That means we have 3, so 3 is 3. No matter whether you are looking at the bracket or not, if you don't write also correct. And here 4. Sorry, here x. So our x is how much? 3. You see. In question number 2, for all the Romans, in place of x, we are going to write 3, 3, 3 and only 3. Okay, everywhere. So here also 3. Now we will do minus. So 3 and 0 because we have plus. This 3 is plus and this 3 is minus. So plus into minus, we will do minus. So 3 minus 3 0. There is a solution for Roman number 2. Let us do Roman number 3. Yes, Epang Inla also present. The students, those who are present today, I have recorded your attendance for maths internal assessment. Don't forget that when we enter your internal assessment marks, that means you are in class 7. In class 7, 60 marks you are writing external exam, and the 40 marks we are going to allot. That means that 40 we will give from attendance also. So your attendance in the live classes very important, because when I send the videos for YouTube, means recorded videos, I used to find that the views are very less. That means in class 7 there are 31 students, at least 31 students should view, but I didn't get that. So your attendance is also very important whenever I will take the live classes. So let us start Roman number 3. Roman number 3 is 5x by 9. Roman number 3 is 5x by 9. In Roman number 1 and in Roman number 2, it was a equation with the brackets. But now, Roman number 3 we have no bracket but fraction. Simply, no need to worry for anything. In place of x, we are going to write 3. That's all. So, therefore, we have 5x by 9. So, 5x, that means 5 by 9. 5 by 9, so 5 by 9. But in place of x, we are going to write how much? 3. You know, if it is 10x. 10x means what? 10 into x. Okay. So if here 5x means what? 5 into x. So 5 into x. But x is 3. That's why in place of x, we are adding what? 3. We'll cut it. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3 and 3 threes are 9. So finally we have how much? Here 5 and here 1. So we have 5 and 1. So we multiply 5 into 1 is 5. And at the base we have only 3. So 3. 5 into 1 is 5 and at the base we have 3. That means only 3. So 5 by 3. That means our solution answer for this question is 5 by 3. Okay. Similarly, let us do Roman number 4. Roman number 4 is 5x plus 3. Roman number 4, 5x plus 3. Okay. So here also putting x is equal to 3 in the given equation. So therefore our equation is what? 5x plus 3. So as I told you, 5x, that means 5 into x plus 3, so plus 3. 5x means what? 5 into x. Okay, it was multiplied. 5 and x, they multiplied and they got how much? 5x. So we will do the previous solution, means 5x. 5x means what? 5 into x. But we have x. Our x is how much? 3. In place of x, we are going to write how much? 3. So in place of x, we will write 3. So 5 into 3. Then 5 into 3, it it doesn't mean that you have to plus this one, okay? 3 plus 3, 6. No, because I told you the BODMAS rule, isn't it? Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, right? So addition, subtraction, multiplication, and that means first we need to remove the bracket. So remove bracket is done. Then we need to do the work for division. Okay. Brackets of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First we need to remove the bracket if there is a bracket. So brackets are removed. Now of division. Second time we need to do the work for the division, but since we don't have any divisional work here, so leave it for that. Then we will do the multiplication. You cannot do the addition, okay? Without doing the multiplication, you cannot do addition. Keep in mind that. That means we have 3 plus 3, 6 cannot do because before addition we need to do multiplication. So we multiply this one. So 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 3, 15. Plus 3 and plus 3. Now the multiplication work is done. That means now we are going to do the addition. That means when we do the addition, here 15 and here 3. Here plus, here plus. That means plus, plus, plus. So 15 plus 3 how much? 18. 15 plus 3 how much? 18. That is the solution for Roman number 4. Last question of question number 2 is Roman number 5. Let us go Roman number 5. Roman number 5, x square plus x minus 4. X square plus x minus 4. Okay. So same thing, putting x equal to 3 in the given equation. So therefore we have x square plus x minus 4. So x square. So x square plus x minus 4 here. As you can see, it is x. So x is how much? 3. X how much? X is 3. But it is square. So we need to write square in this way. Square means we need to put the bracket. Okay? Square. If you don't write bracket also correct, but it is better to use the bracket. Okay? Here plus x. Again x. So again 3. Here x 3, here x 3. Here there is no power. Power is only 1, so leave it. Because only 3. Minus 4, so minus 4. Now 3, 2. That means 3 2 times. 3 square means what? 3 into 3. So 3 into 3, 9. Not 3 and 3, 6. Not 6. 3 square means 3 into 3. So 3 is a 9. So we are getting how much here? 9. Plus this 3. Here you cannot do minus, okay? 3 minus 4. Now 9 is plus, 3 is plus. So plus plus plus. This is minus. So minus is just now I wrote the BODMAS, isn't it? BODMAS. In the BODMAS, subtraction is always last. Okay? In the BODMAS, subtraction we used to do always at the end. That's why we cannot do it here. So 9 plus 3 is 12 minus 4. 9 plus 3 is 12 and minus, so minus 4, so 4. That means 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. 12 minus 4 is how much? 8. Okay? Now, so these all are the solutions for exercise 7.3, question number 2, all the Romans. Now we are going to do question number 3. I hope you are writing it in your notebook, because very soon we are going to send the information or circular that you have to submit the notebook for checking. So please be careful. Now let us do question number 3. In question number 3, find the value of 6x square plus 2x plus 1 when x is equal to 1, x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to 0. That means we are going to do 3 times, 3 Romans. Given equation is 6x square plus 2x plus 1. Given okay, it was a call. Students, can you hear me? Yes, Jungba is present. And Toshiba, who is Toshiba? Toshiba, I'm not getting you. Toshiba, who is Toshiba? Toshiba, I don't know who is Toshiba. Please write your full name, okay, whenever I ask for the attendance. Amo, Imo, like this name though, I cannot understand that. Okay, so question number 3. Okay, question number 3 is the given equation. Equation is given that it is 6x square plus 1. But in number 1 we have x is equal to 1. What does it mean? It means that in the equation, wherever you find the x, in place of x we need to write 1. In place of x we need to write 1. So putting x is equal to 1 in the given equation. In the given equation. So we have equation is 6x square plus 2x plus 1. So we have 6x square plus 2x plus 1. That means in place of x we are going to write 1. In place of x how much? 1. So into, but since there is a power, so whole square. Okay? No matter you are writing into here or not, but if you write into also correct, if you don't write also correct, but since because the bracket is there, because before the bracket always, before the bracket, after the bracket into is there, okay? Always into will be there. If you write after the bracket, if you write the number, or before the bracket, if you write the number, just you need to multiply this all. So here 6 into 1, in place of x 1 plus 2 and again 1, so 1 plus 1. 6x, so x. 2, so 2. 1, x, so x. That means in place of x how much? 1. So we have here 1, so 1 square. So 1 square is how much? 1 square means 1 into 1. 1 square is how much? 1 square is 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. 1 square is 1 into 1. So 1 into 1 is 1. Now 1 into 6 is 6. 1 into 6, 6. Here also 2. So simply there is no power, so no need to get confused about the multiplication. Just simply 2 and 1. That means 2 into 1 is 2. And plus 1, so plus 1. So at the end we have all the positive numbers, not like before. Before we had positive and the negative combination, but now we have here only positive. Positive is plus, which is plus, plus, plus. All are plus, plus, plus. That means no need to increase the third line again. From here, the second line, next line will be the answer. That means we have here 6, in here 2. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. That means for Roman number 1, our answer is how much? 9. Okay. Now try to do Roman number 2 and Roman number 3. Roman number 2 and Roman number 3, same method. Okay. Here plus 1 and in Roman number 2 it is minus, that's all, nothing. Now let us do question number 4. Question number 4. We are going to do question number 4. Get ready with your question. So have a look for this question. You see, in question number 2 and question number 3, we had only one variable. One variable means only x, but we have here x and y. That means we have two variables. Okay, two variables. So x and y. But for that, when it was a one variable, one values were given. But now it is two variables, so two values are given. Like here, x is equal to -1 and the y is equal to -2. So simply, whenever we find x, we will write -1, and whenever we find y, we will write -2. So putting x is equal to -1 and y is equal to -2 in the given equation. So therefore x square plus y square, x square plus y square. So if it is x square and y square, in place of x we are going to write -1 and in place of y we are going to write -2. So we have x. So x square. So x is how much? -1. X square, that means x is how much? -1. So -1 plus y. So y is how much? -2. So -2. But square, so square. Again we look. X, so -1 square. So square. plus y minus 2, because y is minus 2, so minus 2 square, so square. Now minus 1 two times, that means we need to multiply minus into minus. Forget about the minus, only 1, because 1 into 1 is 1. Then what about the sign? It is minus 1 into minus 1. Try to understand, okay? Minus 1 into minus 1. So 1 into 1 is 1, and minus also 2 times, so minus minus plus, that's why there is no minus. Okay, so minus minus plus, but no need to write here plus like this. Okay, no need to write. Now here plus, so plus, here minus 2 into 2, minus 2 minus 2, so minus 2 minus 2 means 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4, 2 times will multiply, so 2 into 2 4. Here minus, that means minus minus also plus. Now we have here plus 1, here plus 4, that means 1 plus 4 also plus. So plus plus plus, so 4 plus 1 we have 4 plus 1 we have 5, right? 4 plus 1 we have how much? 5. Fine, there is the solution. Try to understand, because you are in class 7, you are going to get many questions like that. In future, if you find minus here and the power is even number, if the power is even, if the power is 2, 4, 6, 8 like 10, that means this minus will not repeat here. No need to count, no need to multiply like this, that minus into minus, second minus, like no need to multiply. Just keep in mind that if the power is even number, from the next line no use of that minus. But if the power is odd number like 3, 5, 7 and 9, if the power is odd number, that means minus will be repeated to the next line also. Okay, so these are the basic rules when we remove the brackets. Okay, let us start Roman number 2 and 3. Try to do yourself. Okay, now let us do question number 5. Question number 5. When we do question number 5, write down, you get ready with question number 5. You get ready. Question number 5 says that simplify the following expressions and then find their values when x is 2. Okay, it is given question number 1. First question is 4x minus 3, 4x minus 3 plus 8 minus 5x. 4x minus 3. Question number 5. Question number 5, Roman number 1. Question number 5, Roman number 1. Simplify the following. First, we need to simplify it. Okay, simplify. So, we will start the simplification. Here, therefore, or just start. This is 4x. We need to search the like terms together. I hope you know what is like terms and what is unlike terms. There are two types of terms in each and every algebraic equations. First one is like terms and the unlike terms. What is like terms? Like here 4x. So if you find, we need to find another x. So we can see that x is here. These two 4x and the 5x, they are called like terms. Okay, like terms. So these two we need to write together. So this one we have written, this one we have written. Now what is that? Minus 3. So this 3 we need to search the another like terms. So this 3 and 8, these two are like terms. So plus 8. So your equation is already been arranged in standard form when the like terms are together. So this like terms, that means here plus, here minus. Plus into minus will do minus. These two only will work. These are different, these two are different. Here plus into minus, minus. So here how many x? 4 times. Here how many x? 5 times. Try to understand, okay? Here how many x? 5 times. Here how many x? 4 times. 4 times. Here plus, here minus. Plus into minus, minus. We will do minus. So 5x, from the 5x we will take out 4x. So how many x will be left? Only 1x. From the 5x we will remove 4x. So only 1x. 1 no need to write. 1 is there. Okay? What about the sign? Sign is here minus. Minus side is bigger. 4 is bigger or 5 is bigger? Definitely 5 is bigger. That means minus side is bigger. So since the minus side is bigger, so minus x. Now we will go to these two like terms. Here minus, here plus. Minus into plus, minus. So when we do minus, minus into plus, minus, we will do minus. That means 8 minus 5 is 8 minus 3 is 5. 8 minus 3, 5. Why minus? Because minus into plus, minus. Now 8 minus 3 is 5. Now plus side is bigger or minus side? Plus side is bigger. That's why it is plus. Now here this is your equation. But now in the question it is given that we need to find the value of x when the x is 2. So putting now. Putting x is equal to 2 in the equation. Putting x is equal to 2 in the equation. So therefore our equation is what? Minus x plus 5. So in place of x we are going to write, in place of x what do we write? In place of x we write 2. So in place of x we write 2 plus 5, but this minus, so minus. Okay, your x is 2, but in the equation your x is minus x. So minus will be repeated there. Now here minus, here plus. Minus into plus. Question number 5. Your chapter 7, exercise 7. Okay, thank you.